So hello everyone, my name is Kiran Manaure and this is my day 46 of 100 days of coding challenge, and today I created a program using JavaScript. So here I created a use datasets using objects. So I created array of objects. So in this array there is an objects, there's a multiple objects. So here mm, the objects has many keys and value. The keys are ID, name, gender, age, is Avenger, and text. So this is the array of objects. So first I print all this array of object. So and if I run it, the output it right. So if I run it, it doesn't run somehow. Okay. So this is the output. So I'm going to tell you how to iterate this array of objects. So first, the first case, print all the username only. So I have to print all the username including this array of objects. So here I use for loop. So first I created a let variable. It starts from user and it ends on the length of the users. So here I write console.log user I.name. So it goes to the user I, it means user 0. So it goes to the first index of that array and print the name of the users. So if I run it, it gives me all the names of the users. So this is the names: Tony Shark, Steven Robert, Natasha Robert, Peter Parker, Steven Stranger, Thor, and Captain Marvels. Let's moving to the second case. So print all the names of the user without using the loop. So our task is that I have to print the names of the users, but the condition is that I don't use the loops. So here I use for of loop. This is the another kind of loop. So here I just created a username, so it iterate on the every index of the user. If I console it, it gives me same output as previous loops. So in name I write if I want to print text, so I simply write text and run it, so it gives me all text. And Control Z. And this is all for today, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.